Now we will start the book circle. So you guys have to pick one from here.
Okay.
Okay.
Should I like close my eyes or just
No, you can just pick. मतलब
Just
देखना
pick
नहीं.
randomly, I guess.
Random उठाओ. And
I
अभी
don't know
बताना
what
मत
to do.
सबको pick करने दो.
Oh, okay. I've read
ओहो.
this.
Which
Oh,
one?
अच्छा, can I
नहीं अभी मत बताओ. अभी मत बताओ. Okay, I hope it's something I read. Okay.
Hmm. Oh, I got the book I wanted.
देखना नहीं है कौन सी वाली है.
you haven't read it? No, but like just pick Harry Potter though. फिर इसको Harry
हाँ,
Potter
फिर
करेंगे ना
रेट तो
reading.
कर सकती हो चेंज.
Oh,
Okay.
If you get a book जो नहीं पढ़ी हुई तो वो चेंज कर लेना.
Yeah. So the book I got is The Queen of Nothing. It's the third book in the Cruel Prince series. I read it 3 years ago, and I think like I was starting out with reading, so one of the first books that I read was The Cruel Prince, and this was the last book, and I really loved it.
Okay, so I got the Inheritance Games and I read this. When did I read this? I think I was in ninth grade when I read this, and it was recommended to me by like my friends, etc. And I actually found it good because usually I don't read this type of books. I read very like classic or literature type, but this is the first of like the other type, and I really like this because I don't know. I just felt like because of like very different characters, I felt like okay, I found myself in different personalities, just like that.
I got the Six of Crows, which is actually one of my favorite books.
Same.
Why I liked it so much is because it had multiple POVs and like each character had a lot of depth. I really loved the character arcs, the world building.
The plot twist
The
and the
plot
heist.
twists are also amazing. I like a good heist.
Same.
Yes.
Even though it was so complicated, if anybody asks me to explain the heist, I would not be able to
Yes.
do so.
Like, I like how complex the book was. I like complex books.
Same. It was really nice. I have the third book of the Harry Potter series called The Prisoner of Azkaban, and I really liked this book because like it was very descriptive and it introduced me to one of my favorite characters, Sirius Black.
I hope this doesn't find you. I read this book last year and I think Isha recommended this book to me.
Yeah, I did.
It's a light read, so I do like it. It is not one of like my most favorite books, but I definitely did enjoy it, and I think it's pretty well written.
Yeah. वैसे I think people got like Queen of Nothing wasn't that नहीं the कौन सी book थी
The
The
first
Wicked
book-
King. No, The Wicked King इतनी ज़्यादा लोगों ने नहीं पसंद करी थी I think क्योंकि I read the reviews. लेकिन Queen of Nothing was so good because I think usually in a trilogy ना last book is kind of इतनी ज़्यादा well written नहीं होती है. I also cried at this
In the
book.
second book, the plot wasn't really that interesting. I think it all
मुझे
started
समझ
in the
नहीं आया था
third book.
plot.
अच्छा मुझे जो फर्स्ट बुक है ना वो इतनी अच्छी नहीं लगी इसलिए तो मैंने बाकी तो पढ़ी भी नहीं आई डिडंट रीड द क्वीन ऑफ नथिंग क्योंकि फर्स्ट बुक के अंदर लाइक आई जस्ट डिडंट लाइक द मेन कैरेक्टर मुझे कार्ड इतना अच्छा नहीं लगा और
लेकिन
दूसरा
you didn't even read the second and third parts.
Like,
he becomes amazing.
हाँ like he becomes good.
Because it
I
was
did
the
that part,
typical
लेकिन-
enemies to lovers ना तो it was the enemies to lovers.
हाँ I guess मतलब ये proper वाला enemies to lovers था कि वो
हाँ।
सही वाला बोली है ऐसा नहीं कि
हाँ।
शुरू में you know
Exactly.
कोई है
They would hated each other's guts. So.
I get that लेकिन मुझे इसका जो पूरा प्लॉट भी था ना कि जो पूरे फैंटेसी वर्ल्ड में होते हैं मुझे इतनी ज्यादा फैंटेसी नहीं
Fairies, you
पसंद है
didn't like the fairy part, right?
हाँ I didn't like the fairy part and that उसकी tail hand everything
Oh.
like
I really like comics.
you like
Any-
fantasy
Yes.
like
Where do you
yes.
find? Where do you read? Like where do you find?
like
comics?
DC comics
Just,
or like
search it up and then I find them. Do you read manhwa?
yes she does
No,
मैंने
obviously she
बताया
does.
she
Not
does.
manhwa. Not manhwa.
हाँ
You read
manhwa
manhwa,
like
that's-
manhwa
yes.
कोई
Manhwa
होती
is
है
no manhwa
Manga
is
is
yeah
Japanese.
yeah
Manhwa
manhwa
I
is
have
is
one
manhwa
manga
is
is
Japanese
Korean,
but
I
manhwa
think.
कौन सी होती है
Korean. I think it's Korean.
Manhwa, yeah.
हाँ ना
Yeah.
कोरियन है ना एंड manhwa is colored और manga जो है वो black and white होती है
Yes.
Yes.
I want to read a like manga लेकिन मैंने
Yes.
तब कुछ शुरू नहीं की क्योंकि वो बहुत लंबी होती है तो मुझे लगता है कि
नहीं
मैं बीच में
मुझे
छोड़
I
दूंगी।
want to I think it's so cool like I really love comics लेकिन I haven't read a comic as in
I
I would
want
love
to
to read a comic लेकिन I don't know where to find comics.
लाइक अगर कोई एनिमे होती है वो 13 एपिसोड की तो मांगा तो उससे बहुत ज्यादा टिकल होती है
हाँ,
Yes.
लेकिन I don't
It's like-
care I want to be committed I want to like read a really good
If you
manga.
want to be
And I
committed,
do
you
want
should
to read
probably
one.
read like the DC comics,
The DC
Yes.
comics.
the Teen Titans.
Yes.
Yes.
I
Yes.
love
Robin.
I actually started
I love
them.
Robin.
I love Robin too.
Yes.
Huh.
Oh my god.
agree.
So yeah, I think it's nice.
because I really like books with which have mystery and thriller. And it was, I mean, when I read books like this, it just, it amazes me how smart the author is. Like,
Yeah, I think
she
the
was so
author
smart.
is
Jennifer,
actually
a
Jennifer
psychology
Van Mind, a
major.
psychology major. Yeah,
Yes,
exactly.
it
That's
was
why
so
she's so good at
cool
expressing all
because
this.
in naturals as well, मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा it was well written,
Yes.
like Sloane ka and like all the mathematical things as well. It was amazing.
But did you like the inheriting schemes or like
Yeah.
naturals better? In which
I
one?
like the naturals better, I think.
Are
Like, and
you?
I'm not sure I love both of them.
I can't choose. Both of them
Yeah,
are
Honestly, I
so
would say the
same.
good.
naturals.
अच्छा I
Both of them are
haven't
so
read
good.
any
I think
of the
naturals
schemes
was
but
more
I think I
okay.
like it क्योंकि मुझे mystery वाला plot और everything
तुम्हें
जब
अच्छा
बहुत
लगेगा।
चीज़ होती है मुझे अच्छी लगती है.
To be very honest, if someone was gonna be saying that I want to read a mystery book, then this is not very like a
Inheritance
mystery
games.
centered.
I think
नहीं
इसमें
है.
हाँ मतलब like mystery is
हाँ.
one
There's
of
like
the
a lot
genres.
of like
लेकिन
more
It's
things
more
going
of a
on.
family
Riddles
drama.
kind
Yeah,
Is it
it's
action?
family drama.
इसमें
Yeah.
action है.
It has
Action.
family
Thriller.
drama.
लेकिन देखो ना, लेकिन उसमें like riddles वगैरह थी, मतलब as in
Yes.
like क्योंकि लेकिन plot twist बहुत थे which I think could be part of mystery क्योंकि like last book में भी बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ें uncover हो गई
It's
थी
just
जो
like
अच्छा I do
everything.
like कि जब plot twist होती है और एक सही वाले क्योंकि मेरी बहुत ज़्यादा मेरे साथ ऐसा होता है कि मैं पहले ही मतलब guess कर रही थी कि अच्छा ये होने वाला है तो I do like it जब बहुत unexpected चीज़ हो. So I
Yeah,
think
she
in
was
that
funny
sense
था.
I
I
would
honestly
like
did not
it.
expect Agent Sterling. वो Agent Sterling, yeah, Agent. नहीं नहीं नहीं.
It was like
Agent
locks.
It was Asian
Locke,
Locke.
yeah.
It was Asian Locke.
I was
जो-
very.
I wouldn't recommend
agree.
inheritance games to a beginner reader.
Seriously, I think it was an easy read though.
Yeah, it was easy.
जो
मुझे
House
Six
of
of Crows,
Brothers
I
है,
would
वो
not
इसी में
suggest
होता
Six of
है.
Crows to a beginner reader because वो complex थी. Six of Crows was complex.
So Six of Crows इससे पहले भी 3 books हैं. Because if you want to like get to know the world
The
building better.
Grishaverse, yeah.
हाँ. Shadow and Bone, the trilogy, it wasn't as good as Six of Crows though.
Exactly. You know,
हाँ, it
I
wasn't as
actually
good as Six
bought
of
the
Crows.
3 books.
हाँ.
I bought them pirated. फिर ना मैंने return कर दी क्योंकि मैंने online इतने reviews पढ़े of like bashing the whole trilogy.
Yeah.
I just did not read it. And honestly, I regret it. I feel like I should have, read
It also has a season on Netflix. I think if you want to know the world building better, instead of reading the books, you could like read like
क्योंकि
watch
उसमें
the
Shadow and
season.
Bone का ही ज़्यादा था ना
हाँ.
वो.
Yes.
I
Because
watched the
it's
season
better.
and I hated how they cancelled the season 2. नहीं season 2 नहीं उन्होंने show लेकिन cancel कर दिया था ना. हाँ.
हाँ, that was bad.
One thing I really love is कि इसके अंदर एक Atomic Rivals है मैंने इसीलिए book पढ़ी थी and like it's a light story high school students के बारे में there is kind of a enemies to lovers like proper वाला नहीं है but there is
हाँ.
enemies to lovers तो मुझे वो watch
Yeah,
लगा.
because they're academic rivals. So
हाँ.
I loved it. And it was a very well written and
हाँ,
easy
it was
book to
very well
read.
written.
Yeah.
What's your
और इसका
favorite?
एक sequel भी है ना तो मैंने वही पढ़ा था.
Yeah, you
I
read
hope
the
this does
sequel?
find you. हाँ, मैंने
Was
पढ़
it
लिया हुआ है.
good?
It was good.
मैंने अभी तक नहीं पढ़ा क्योंकि
Why
मुझे
not?
उसकी physical copy चाहिए थी मुझे मिली नहीं.
What's your favorite scene from the book that would like convince us because we haven't like read a lot of these type of novels.
Yeah.
मैं एक सीन तो याद नहीं. Oh, you would love जो उसने I don't think it's a spoiler लेकिन जो उसने emails लिखे होते हैं ना you would love like reading those.
And
Ooh.
मुझे एक जो इसमें
spoiler.
सीन था ना वो था I don't want it to be a spoiler लेकिन can I just tell it? Okay, इसमें ना क्या
Oh,
होता है
you
कि
go ahead.
basically there's this scene where she can't run. They have this marathon. And since both of them are academic rivals, they have to be good in sports as well, right? So she has a 1,000-meter race to run, but she like faints or something like that, and he runs the race for her,
हाँ,
and
that's
he
that
wins the
scene.
medal. He has never run that इतना ज़्यादा तेज in his entire life. वो बहुत तेज भागता है. He wins the medal and then उसको पहना देता है वो.
Like जो इसका main plot है ना वो उसके अंदर emails वाला है जब तुम पढ़ोगे so you will know.
Yeah,
तो
it
वो
was so
बहुत
good.
interesting है.
And the
मैं शुरू से
story
I was
itself,
hooked.
it was just like a very cute, cozy.
हाँ ना
book.
like
I loved
क्योंकि
it.
जब ऐसा होता है कि when it's a light read ना तो बीच में कभी कभी story बहुत slow जाती है like very slow
Like,
pace
ये
ऐसा
slow
नहीं
नहीं
था
थी,
लेकिन
fast
kept me
paced थी.
hooked. तो मुझे
Yeah.
I love that.
Azkaban book was way better than the
हाँ.
movie. It
Yes.
was way better than the movie
Yes.
because it had a lot more. It had
What's
a
your
lot more
favorite character?
detail.
Sirius
Sirius
Black.
Black, yes. I even like cosplayed him in 7th grade.